My dear friends, if you're living in Canada and you own or plan to own a credit card, then stop scrolling right now, because this video might just save you hundreds of dollars, protect you from hidden traps, and even help you make money. Yes, from your credit card. Sounds strange? Stick with me. You've probably heard of Visa credit cards, but which one is actually worth your wallet in 2025? Which ones offer real cashback, strong insurance coverage, amazing rewards, and don't play games with your hard-earned dollars? And now that you've already clicked on the video, my friend, here's my request. Please don't skip this one. Stick around until the end, because one of these cards could genuinely upgrade your financial life this year. Whether you're a student, a full-time employee, a newcomer to Canada, or someone working to rebuild your credit, this guide is made for you. Most Canadians don't realize how much money they're quietly losing every month. From hidden fees, weak cashback programs, and using the wrong card for their lifestyle. But what if I told you that in this video, I'm going to walk you through the best Visa credit cards in Canada for 2025. And one of these might help you save hundreds, earn better rewards, and give you features that actually work in your real life. Even if you already have a Visa card, this guide might show you something 10 times better, more rewarding, or even cheaper. Some of these cards offer premium travel benefits. Some help you build credit, and others give you cash back on every single dollar, with no gimmicks. And hey, since you've already clicked the video, just do one thing. Don't skip it. Stay with me till the end, because there's a good chance one of these cards could protect you from a bad decision, or even help you make some extra money this year, especially if you're a student, a working professional, a newcomer to Canada, or someone trying to rebuild your credit. This video was literally made for you. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's break it down in simple, honest terms. No fluff, no confusing jargon. And yes, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. This channel brings you smart, useful financial content every single week. Always real, always for people like you. Card number 1, CIBC Aventura Visa Infinite Card. Let's talk about the CIBC Aventura Visa Infinite Card. Now, this one's a solid option if you love to travel, or you're planning a trip in the near future. But don't worry, even if you don't travel much, this card still has some seriously underrated benefits. So here's what makes it stand out. First up, the welcome bonus. You can earn up to $1,200 in value in your first year if you meet the spending requirements. That includes a big chunk of Aventura points, which you can use to book flights, hotels, car rentals, and more, without being locked into just one airline. That's a big win because it gives you real travel flexibility. Now let's talk rewards. For every dollar you spend on travel through the CIBC Reward Center, you get 2 Aventura points. Daily stuff like gas, groceries, and drugstores, you get 1.5 points per dollar. And for all other purchases, it's 1 point. It's a nice balance, whether you're spending on essentials or planning your dream vacation. But here's where it gets even better. The travel perks. You get travel medical insurance, trip cancellation and interruption coverage, flight delay, lost baggage insurance, and even auto rental insurance. Basically, it's got your back when things don't go as planned. If you travel even once or twice a year, that coverage can save you hundreds in what you'd normally pay out of pocket. Now, the Visa Infinite benefits also kick in. Things like access to Visa Infinite Concierge. They help you book reservations, plan travel, etc. And exclusive dining and entertainment experiences. Makes you feel a little VIP. Not gonna lie. There's also Nexus application rebate, which means if you apply for a Nexus card, they'll cover the fee up to $100. That's handy if you travel between Canada and the US frequently. Annual fee? Yeah, it's $139. But here's the catch. It's waived for the first year, and honestly, the welcome bonus alone makes it totally worth it. Also, one underrated thing? This card lets you redeem points for more than just travel. You can use them for gift cards, merchandise, even statement credits if you want. Bottom line, if you're someone who wants a high-value travel card with solid everyday rewards, great insurance, and flexibility with how you use your points, this one is a really strong choice. Not the flashiest card, but definitely one of the smartest for Canadians who want real value without the stress. Card number 2, CIBC Aeroplan Visa Infinite Card. Let's dive into a card that's all about air travel, upgrades, and rewards that actually feel premium. This one's the CIBC Aeroplan Visa Infinite Card. If you've ever flown with Air Canada, or plan to, card number 3, BMO Eclipse. Visa Infinite Privilege asterisk. Card, let's talk about one of the most luxurious and benefit-packed Visa cards available in Canada right now, the BMO Eclipse Visa Infinite Privilege Card. Now listen, this one's not for everyone, but if you're someone who spends big, travels smart, and wants real VIP perks, this card might be exactly what you're looking for. Let's start with the basics. The welcome offer is impressive. You can earn up to 90,000 BMO rewards points in your first year. That's worth around $600 to $800 depending on how you redeem. And speaking of redemption, BMO rewards points are super flexible. You can redeem them for travel, merchandise, gift cards, or even investment credits. Now here's where it gets interesting. The earn rates. This card gives you 5 points per dollar on dining, groceries, gas, and transit. That includes things like ride shares, taxis, public transport, and even food delivery. Those are everyday categories where most people already spend a lot, so your rewards rack up fast without changing your lifestyle. You also earn 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. Now, because this is a privilege card, there are bonus perks for high spenders. If you add a secondary card holder, you'll even get a 10% points boost on everything you earn. That's a pretty sweet deal if your partner or family member also uses the card. Now let's shift to the real luxury stuff, the lifestyle and travel benefits. This card gives you access to the Visa Infinite Privilege Concierge Service. Think of it as your personal assistant for booking hotels, flights, fine dining, and more. You also get exclusive access to some of the best hotels, wine events, and entertainment experiences across Canada. And when it comes to travel protection, this card is loaded. You get travel medical insurance, trip cancellation and interruption, flight and baggage delay, and rental car collision coverage. Basically, you're covered from the moment you book to the moment you land. You also get airport lounge access through Dragon Pass, with 6 free annual visits included. That means quiet lounges, snacks, Wi-Fi, and comfort, even if you're flying economy. Oh, and let's not forget about the Nexus rebate. You'll get up to $100 credit every 4 years to cover your Nexus application fee. That makes crossing borders smoother and faster. Plus, this card comes with mobile device insurance. So if your phone gets lost, damaged, or stolen, you're covered up to $1,000. That's one of those underrated benefits that can save you serious cash. Now, what's the catch? The annual fee is definitely premium. It's $499 per year. But this card is meant for people who will use those perks, travel often, and spend enough to make it worth every penny. And if you do, you'll get way more value back in rewards, travel comfort, and protection than what you pay. It's kind of like flying business class after years of economy. You'll feel the difference. Another small but useful thing, BMO lets you track your rewards in a clean mobile app. It's simple, it's visual, and it helps you stay in control. Also, BMO rewards don't expire. Ever. That means you can save up your points for a dream trip without pressure. And if you're the type who wants status, flexibility, and peace of mind while spending, this card checks all the right boxes. It's not just a credit card, it's a premium lifestyle tool, made for people who want to earn smarter, spend confidently, and travel better. So if you're ready to level up from basic cashback or standard rewards cards, the BMO Eclipse Visa Infinite Privilege Card is the upgrade you've been looking for. Card number 4 RBC Ion Plus Visa. Let's shift gears and talk about a card that's low-key powerful and super underrated, the RBC Ion Plus Visa. Now I know, the name doesn't sound flashy, but don't let that fool you. Because for a card with no insane annual fee and solid earn rates, this one delivers more value than most people expect, especially if you're someone who spends mostly on everyday stuff like streaming, food, and transportation. Let's break it down simply. You get 3 Avion points per dollar on some of the most relevant categories. Think groceries, dining, food delivery, ride shares like Uber or Lyft, gas, streaming services, and even digital gaming. Yup, even your Netflix, Spotify, or PlayStation subscriptions count. And that's what makes this card so appealing for students, young professionals, and tech-savvy Canadians. You're literally earning more points just by living your normal daily life. Everything else earns you 1 Avion point per dollar, which is still decent for a low-fee card. And these aren't just any points. Avion points are known for their flexibility. You can redeem them for travel, tech, gift cards, merch, or even pay down your credit card balance. You're not locked into some complicated airline program. Redemption is smooth, quick, and available directly through RBC's app or website.